I'm ready.
So my name is Brad Adair, and I own Snake Eater Performance. I don't really have a formal title. I guess owner, and I have to fill it out, and put it there, but I just kind of consider myself one of the guys here. Right now, and this is industry-wide, getting a custom car built it's a big adventure. It's really like you just jump into the deep end. You choose a mechanic that you trust or a shop that you trust, and you've got to really rely on their integrity.
You could expect honesty. We'll cut you straight. We'll tell you whether a project's going to go the way you think it's going to go, or whether it's just going to be completely different. It's just not realistic.
Try to be upfront with the customer, very open with the customer as much as possible. Like if I see a problem, which I know is going to be a problem, I'll let the customer know right then and there what's going on and what would they like to do. Here's my recommendation of what to do. The way I look at it, it's the customer's car, they're going to be driving it, and they want it a particular way. We can do that for them.
Well, you got to get quality work. If we can fix something, we're going to fix it. Not going to replace it, we'll fix it. I mean, Brad is really intense on making sure the customer's happy and it's perfect. It's run old school, not this new, let's upsell you this and upsell you that,
A long time ago, this old man told me a car will talk to you. It'll tell you everything it needs. Before I work on a car, I feel a car. Like I literally walk down the entire car and I touch it. Most of the time it'll tell me like, hey, this is wrong, or you can hear it. Like you can hear a misfire, you can hear if it's running too lean, if it's too rich, if it needs this, if it needs that.
I like the ones that are usually, we're going all the way down and building it all the way back up, because then you can truly take credit for everything that happens on that. That can go both ways, obviously, but then there's just more of a sense of accomplishment when you can say, yeah, I built that from the ground up.
We're focusing on being a craftsman throughout the process. Our three key words with the cars are performance, reliability, drivability. If there's a way that we can fix something and it will work, but there's another way where we could take that extra step and it can work and it maybe look good or look better than it is, or it might work better, then we try to focus on that. We're trying to get them to fall back in love with their car a little bit, and it sort of does start with us.
The honesty of the shop and how we do things here. Nothing on the customer's car will they get done without their approval on at first.
If you want honesty and transparency, come on by.
We don't want you to feel like you can't come in here. We want you to feel like your car's in jail. You're welcome here at any time. Our help extends beyond the square footage of the shop. Like we're always just interested in keeping these cars running.